Hi, my name is Federico and I started practicing Qi Gong with Anthony in 2011, and the reason I first approached him was because I have really bad migraines and I heard that Qi Gong was a good way of getting rid of them. So I started to go to his weekly classes, and after 2 months the migraines were gone. So I continue training with him, so I got hooked by Qi Gong. Then I also use it a lot at sports level. I play touch rugby for Ireland for the over 45s, and it really helped me during my warm-up and also during my cool-down. And also I started to introduce these techniques to my teammates, and in 2018 we won the European Championships. And the great thing is that they didn't know what I was teaching them, but they did it and it worked. Also, I use a lot of Qigong on a daily basis for my morning routines. During the day as well, I sometimes, instead of taking coffee, I take a cup of Qi. So I go and do some shaking, some breathing, and some clearing, and it really helps me as well. And finally, in the evening, I also do it just to clear my head and go to bed completely clear of any bad thoughts and with good energy. So if you haven't tried Qigong, I will definitely recommend